Piraking Studio.
Hey dude, do you remember that? The electric chair fell on the eve of Chinese New Year.
The electric chair suddenly broke. Ben asked the store how to deal with this problem.
It broke after only 3 months of a purchase. What? This is an overseas product.
No dealer.
So can't exchange. Just come for repair. Charges may apply if parts are replaced, so we should fix it ourselves.
Let it down and check. Power supply, motor and switch. Don't know which one is broken. Release the power cord. Measuring input voltage. Here is no voltage. I want to use external power to check the motor.
Why?
If the motor is faulty, the power supply will continue to be damaged.
Huh? Is this real?
It has been determined that the power supply is faulty. But it must be determined whether it's caused by the motor. Test it with this battery.
按退，按立起来，
Push the up button.
我按退。
Land down. The motor is okay. Check the problem with the power supply. Measuring power with the watt meter. Power is 0. It must be broken. It opens after the screws are loosened. Material quality looks okay.
So, what should we do now?
We can take a offline test. It won't be too difficult. You can do it. Fuse is normal. Transistor is normal. Check the situation on the other side. It doesn't seem to be a problem. Check with a multimeter. Bridge is okay. Fat is okay. SMDs are okay. No problem is a big problem. All you can do is try it again. Auto check found nothing.
Do you need a power test?
Bam, you are so smart.
Thank you for your support.
Project in and test. Filter capacitor voltage is 116. It's good. Power chip input voltage is 16. It's okay. Can't buy the chip now. Check out parts. transistor is normal. The bridge should be fine, but change it to check. Do you think anything will change? Of course not. But I can't buy it in Chinese New Year. As I wait for the delivery man to show up every day.
Something is coming. Pirate King, take it.
Great, here we go. Remote CRE2269. Tin field. Solder 2 pins. 8 pins are soldered. Scrape of excess tin. Check it with a magnifying glass. It's great. Test with a watt meter. The power light is on. We finally reached the end.
Although the power light is on, but it doesn't mean the power supply is normal.
Check it, here we go. Great, the voltage is 29.
Wow, it really has power.
Continue to assemble. Cover it on and tighten the screws. Back on the chair. Secure with table ties. Connect the power cord. Fasten the wire and test. Photographer, close up. Here, this will be moved. Holy cow, it's moving! Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repair ability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.
然后去关灯，可以收了。